We're not just the next fad, the next thing that's happening. We're really going to plant some roots into the ground, to use that analogy, and say, this is the way that we want our food grown in the United States, and we want to protect the land as well as provide really great integrous food to our consumers.
As we're able to implement this practice more consistently now, it's adding more carbon into our system, more diversity into our system. So we would expect the carbon, the organic matter percentage of our soil to begin to rise more rapidly had we not be doing this practice.
And I just look at it as the answer to the climate crisis, honestly, that we're really going to provide in a very small way right now, but hopefully if other companies would come and join us and do this along with us and help with the farmers. When you get companies that really match with the farmer, support a farmer, we're supporting the true value of food production. That's to support the farmers and regenerative agriculture practices. The investment covers the seed cost for the acreage of cover crop, to decrease the use of chemicals and to apply practices that rebuild the soils, decrease the carbon load, improve the cycle of the water to grow our ingredients. Bella Gluten-Free learned from consumers what was really needed in the gluten-free space. And so my background, I spent many, many years in clinical nursing, and it was a perfect fit, believe it or not, to go to culinary school and become classically trained and to really understand the theory behind food and really how to create an amazing product. We're proud of the superior baking mixes that we've developed for our consumers. They want it not only taste good, but they want to know that the food that they're ingesting has been produced with integrity. We're certified gluten-free, we're certified vegan, we're certified non-GMO. When we get sales revenue and increase our sales revenue, we're able to provide more towards this project. And so companies like myself, Bella Gluten-Free, and around the world with Jennifer's company, how important it is for us to really stay connected with this project, because we are from a nutritional background, a health background, nursing, the biology of plants, the biology of the human body, so aligned to really provide food that matters. Because we truly believe in what we're trying to accomplish here, utilizing regenerative agriculture practices that we know to be set, and Justin's going to discover so many more as he's doing this, and that's why we're doing it, so that we can lay a foundation, lay an idea down, and really move with it with tangible results and not just the idea of the result. So our support in the regenerative agriculture elevates our commitment to our consumers to not only sustain the soil's capacity to produce, create a nutritive dense food, and truly contributing to the positive impact of how our consumers are eating. And we feel really great about knowing the farmer that's growing the food that ultimately will become, product base for many companies. And in next phases, we'll use that grain.
In the meantime, we didn't want to just sit by and not do anything while we were figuring out some more complicated logistical issues. We wanted to go ahead and do something right now that made an impact immediately. And so this has. From the farmer's perspective, just to go out and dig with a spade, earthworm activity and presence is the best indicator for biological robustness that I have, because it's something I can see with my own eyes.
Like you said, a picture's worth 1,000 words. Looking at that beautiful, rich dirt, looking at the organisms within the dirt, looking at the alive organisms in the dirt, and then looking at the cover crop that we've been able to provide the funds for. There's nothing better than that, to have a tangible project, something that we can see these results and really understand and learn more and impact for the greater good for many years to come.